speak fluently, then you should join English Cafe because they will teach you each and everything about English. Hello everyone, my name is Komal and I'm here to tell you about my experience in English Cafe. Everyone wants to speak in English and I am also one of them. Then I decided to join any English institute. One day I searched on Google how many institutes are nearby me, and then I found one institute at my nearest location at Sector 18. The institute name is English Cafe. Me and my friends decided to go there and take a demo class. Then we reached there and filled the forms, and we gave our interview and test one by one for which level we are. Now I want to tell you about my journey in English Cafe from first day to nowadays. And I feel change in myself, how much I improved in my English. When I went to English Cafe, that time I am able to understand other English, but I am not able to speak and reply them, and how to talk in English also I didn't know my English is correct or not, so that's why I didn't reply them. And also sometimes I got stuck in some points which word I have to use, but now I can speak and talk. And now I can easily do conversation in English with other persons. And also whenever I got stuck in any point, then I can immediately handle my conversation in other points, like I add other words. So many people are like me, they want to speak but they can't because they don't know which word, which sentence they have to use. Also low confidence. But if anyone have curiosity or dream to speak in English, then they can do, because nothing is impossible in this world. So work hard and achieve your goals. And also I want to tell you one thing is that if you want to speak fluently, then you should join English Cafe because they will teach you each and everything about English. They will increase your confidence level. They do so many things, activities in their classes. They will provide you so many activities and opportunities to speak in English. In short, I want to tell you that English Cafe helps me a lot to improve my English and other things. Thanks a ton. That's all.